Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset the LG dishwasher in 2026. Now, if your dishwasher is facing some of the problems like if it is freezing, showing any error codes, not starting at all, or acting something strange, a quick reset is going to fix these issues very easily. So first of all, you need to look at the top of your dishwasher. Now over here, as you can see, you are going to see bunch of different buttons. Now among these buttons, you just have to first of all press the power button in order to turn it off. After that, wait for 10 seconds and then press the power button again in order to turn it back on. Now this soft reset is going to clear most of the glitches. Now if the dishwasher is still not working properly, you can also try this another method in which you just have to simply press and hold the drain reset option. So here, after clicking on the drain reset option, simply just wait for 3 to 5 seconds and you will hear a dishwasher begin draining water. Let it finish draining completely, and once it is done, the dishwasher is going to reset automatically. If the controls feel frozen, you can also leave the dishwasher turned off for about 1 minute and then you can turn it back on. This also refreshes the control board. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.